Yo, what is up, guys? This is how I made $550 trading the NASDAQ this morning in like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna explain to you guys what I did. So today was NFP. Today's Friday, April 4th, and yeah, I woke up an hour earlier at 8:30 to trade the NFP. So that's a news candle. So what do I do with news? And let me explain to you guys how I handle news and whatnot. So this is 8:30 news right here. We have the data highs and the data lows. Let me mark that out for you so it's very clear. Boom. And boom. All right, so this is the data highs and data lows candle. So what I want to do is I want to go from the data highs to data lows, or from data lows to data highs. When you're trading news, I mean, your bias doesn't really matter that much because the news, just the wicks, the top and the bottom part, the data high and the data low, are just strong pools of liquidity. So it really doesn't matter what bias you have. So I didn't really give a fuck. I mean, I would have wanted to stay bearish. I mean, the overall trend, if we can see, is bearish, and we're retracing a bit. We tapped an hourly bearish rally gap right here. So I would have preferably wanted to see a data high sweep to data low, which I thought we were going to get. As we see, we wicked up so much and the price was staying around here, but we ended up wicking down. But it's unfortunate because we end up sweeping data lows right here. So I see this candle and I'm like, okay, it's a nice doji candle. I don't have any indication to do anything right now. I know I want to find longs now since we swept this, but I want to find a good entry. So I wait one more candle, and what do we have here? We have a 1 minute CISD after closing above this. Okay. Now, I also like the displacement of this 1 minute candle, so I end up going long right here. I end up getting a pretty mid fill like this, targeting the data highs. Something like this. My stop was around like here. This wick. And yeah, so I end up getting a pretty shit fill. Not the best I wanted, because the next candle we see here just fucking rips. Right? Now, we see here that we start edging it, and then we sweep that. I ended up taking profits after the sweep right here. Let me take off this magnet. I ended up taking profits right here. And yeah, in 3 minutes, I ended up making around $550. It was around 50 points the trade. Pretty good. I'm not going to be angry about it. And thankfully, we take profit there because price ends up hitting our stop loss. I know a lot of people probably got break even or got their stop loss hitting, because this is actually ridiculous. And I've had such bad experience with data highs and data lows that, bro, if we're this close and we sweep the internal high, I'm just going to take profits. Like, I don't care about the extra like $50 or $100 at that point. In the end, we have another 3 minute around here that ends up delivering. We have the 3 minute right here. It ends up delivering, but I didn't take that trade, obviously, because if I take one winning trade, I'm not going to risk my account anymore. There's no point in risking my account. And this is a trade that I took today. I made $550 in 3 minutes, and yeah.